In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your button color in Klaviyo, particularly focusing on the call to action button. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.klaviyo.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the login button. If you aren't already registered with Klaviyo, you'll need to create an account, but assuming you have one, proceed with entering your login credentials in the provided fields. This includes your email and password. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard of your Klaviyo account. Now shift your attention to the left sidebar and look for the campaigns option. Clicking on it will take you to a page displaying all your existing email campaigns. Easily, you'll see a list of email campaigns you've created in the past. Look through your campaigns and click on the specific one where you're looking to change the button color. Great. With the campaign selected, you now want to move forward by clicking the next button. This is usually located towards the bottom right of your screen. By clicking next, you are confirming that you want to make changes to the selected campaign template. You should now see your email template displayed on the screen. Look for the edit button, which may be located near the top or bottom of the template. Clicking on edit will open up more options, enabling you to customize your template. Once you are in edit mode, pinpoint the button within the email that you want to modify. Go ahead and click on that button. This should trigger a new menu to appear, giving options related to that specific button. On the left side of your screen, you will notice a menu that includes a section labeled Block Styles. Click on it. Here you will find various styling options you can apply to your button. As you scroll down through the Block Styles menu, you will come across a section named Button Style. Within this section, you're going to find two crucial options: Style and Background Color. These are the tools you need to change the color of your button effectively. The next step involves going into the color palette. The color palette should present a range of colors that you can apply to your button. When selecting the desired color, consider how it aligns with your branding and the overall design of your email. You want the button to stand out but also be visually appealing and in harmony with the rest of your email content. With your color chosen from the palette, the changes will automatically apply to your button. Take a moment to preview your email to ensure the new button color looks just right. Once you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget to save your work to keep the adjustments. And there you have it. A seamless guide to changing the button color in Klaviyo, enhancing both the aesthetic and functionality of your email campaign. Don't forget to hit save and you're all set.